Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle. Today I'm going to make a new recipe, so let's get started. First we need an orange or santra. Peel the orange. Now I'm going to separate the segments. Remove the seeds if there is any, or you can remove the seeds during eating. Now time to use chocolates. Here I use Cadbury Dairy Milk. You can use any chocolate you want. So cut it first. Cut into small pieces. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. I post new videos every week. Cutting is done. Now time to melt it. So take a larger bowl and pour some hot water on it. Chocolate melts completely. Now take a segment of orange and dip into chocolate like this. Likewise, repeat the process and then store it into the refrigerator to set the chocolates. What to do? I'm so hungry. Okay, I have an idea. Ta-da! I decided to have it until the chocolates are set. I love potato chips. Do you love this? It's a good time pass. Oh no, it's finished. It's almost done. Chocolates are set now. You can see. Our super delicious and very easy fruit dessert is ready. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so hungry now. By the way, you can have it in the two ways. If you want, you can refrigerate it or simply have it after dipping on melted chocolate. So let's finish it. I hope you love the video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.